Mom made a Filipino breakfast today. We have some beef. Mom, what is this called?
Tapa.
Beef tapa, some eggs, and we also have some rice too. John, say hi. And the kids are over here, they're eating eggs and rice and watching some TV. Liza, are you gonna go swimming after this? Yeah. I feel like I always have the camera zoomed in so intensely. Okay, so right now I'm sitting in the living room. I have a lot of things I want to do around the house, but I want to kind of like change up the table just a tad bit and just spiffy it up a little bit. I think I might move away from like the pinks. I don't know if Mom's not gonna like that, but I do want to switch it up just a little bit. I'll probably leave the pillows for right now though. But I eventually do want to switch them up. But I want to just specifically change this coffee table area and maybe gussy it up a little bit. I did move some stuff over there already. Don't know if those are gonna stay, but I just kind of wanted to move things around for the time being. I love those plants so much. Love them. But I don't know. I feel like it's just time for a little change in here. I think it's looked like this for a while, and I just want to just specifically change up this coffee table. Okay, so I have the I have the table set up for dinner. We have our pasta right there. We have some bread, some salad. My plates are set up. The kids actually already done eating outside. Now they're just eating some fruit and watching some TV. And the adults are ready to eat. Right now, I think it's time to add more soil to this baby. And also to maybe add some fertilizer. But I wanted to show you guys this. So this is the new growth right there, which is so super duper cool. I think it's actually gonna get another growth right here, which is spectacular. I'm very excited. I'm hoping that it actually happens, but we shall see, because that was not there before and it just started coming out. So I feel like, I don't know, it's crazy, but it might have 2 growth points, which is nuts. These guys, I think I literally show you guys these every day, but I'm just so proud of them doing so well, growing so intensely. These roots, out of control. They're doing so well. Same with those. This one, a little slower, but still doing really well. So I am extremely hopeful. Very excited. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day, and I don't think I ever showed you all how the table actually looks. So I'm still working on it. I kind of want it to look like those like the tables from like Architectural Digest with like a bunch of books and like, I don't know, cool placement of stuff. So I'm still working on it, but I want to move around some other stuff now that I kind of did this. Oh, look at this, it's just opened. How pretty, the leaf. I love it. Oh my gosh, it even has like it has the holes inside. Oh no, that's really pretty. All right, so Mom's getting dinner or breakfast ready. She made some potatoes right there. I'm setting up the table, and she's making the grandma special today. So she has some eggs going, and then we're gonna make some sausages. And now it's time to eat. Look at that deliciousness what Mom's making right now. Making some ribs. Those look amazing.
And some homemade rub.
Wow. Rub-a-dub-dub.
Rub-a-dub-a-dub.
Ooh, look at that. You guys, the food looks so good. Eliza's over here. He's ready to go swimming. He's got a towel and tiny shorts. And Eliza.
A very tiny short.
It's very windy today.
Oh.
Even as well as that.
Yeah. I'm so excited to eat. This looks so delicious. What's up, you guys? It's a very, very hot day today, and I am really warm right now. I just got a bunch of stuff in the car. I didn't film the stuff when I was bringing it inside, but it's that seagrass furniture that I had in the backyard. I was gonna try and sell it, but you know what? I'm just gonna donate it to the Goodwill. They've done so much for me that I'm just gonna give back to them, and then maybe someone else can enjoy it. I know you can refinish it and all that stuff, so I think someone else will enjoy it a lot. So probably gonna have to make 2 trips. Well, definitely at least 2 trips, because I was only able to fit 2 of the wingback chairs and one of the stools inside the trunk. I was gonna try and fit everything inside, but then it probably would have been too much anyway. So I'm just gonna make 2 trips. Totally fine. John's on a mission right now. He's cleaning the stairs, so I'm very excited that he's cleaning the stairs, because that's something that I wanted to do for a hot second. So he's cleaning the stairs. I'm bringing the stuff to the Goodwill, and maybe after our second trip, once I bring everything in, I might go take a look inside the store. I'm not 100% certain, but I know that the store local to my house at least opened up. Not all the stores, but that one store opened up here. So I might go around and take a look. I'm not 100% certain. I don't know yet. But I know for sure that I'm going to drop these off right now. So let's go to the Goodwill drop-off zone. Alright, you guys. I already made out my first drop-off at the Goodwill. And I have the car packed again with some more stuff to drop off. And I think I actually want to drop off one more thing after this. I did fit all of the with the seagrass furniture into the car, which was really good. But I saw some other stuff that I wanted to drop off as well. So I don't know. I might do a 3rd drop off today is what I'm thinking. I think that would be good. It's still pretty early. The clock in here is actually an hour off. It's actually 1:17. I thought it was 12:17. I was like, it's so early. But 1:17 is still pretty early. So I'm gonna drop this off. Maybe come back and do another one. I don't know. We'll see how I feel. Let's go. Alright, you guys, I am at the Goodwill and just dropped everything off. It's hot. Okay, maybe I'm gonna go to the Goodwill right now. We'll see. You guys, I just got home and the kids are over here making pizza. Whoa! Is that your pizza, Eliza? What'd you put on it?
Wait, can I have seasoning on mine?
Okay.
Oh, and you have pepperoni
And pineapple.
and cheese. Oh,
No pepperoni.
no pepperoni for you, BB?
I don't want it.
Okay.
Because it makes my math fun.
Oh, okay. Hey guys, this is my pizza. It's grilled chicken with jalapenos. It looks so good. Okay, you guys, so Mom made Taiwanese beef soup. And this is the stuff first before you put the soup in. And the soup is actually over there in the, whatever that thing is called, the hot pot. What is it called? Instant pot. Instant pot. There's the soup. Ooh, let's put it in, John.
On this hot day. There's still more soup there if you want.
Put it in, bro.
It's hot day. Hot.
Oh, that looks good. Cannot wait to eat. Alright, you guys, we just got a box from Walmart of stuff Mom ordered. And let's see how it looks. And it's actually a lot better than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah.
Oh, some of your pasta is squished now.
We have cheese, pasta. You can't find pasta in the store.
Look at the cereal. Oh, look at all the ketchup. Okay, here. This is the only thing that needs to go upstairs. And then everything else will organize later.
How come I put so much ketchup?
4 ketchups? Maybe you ordered 2 and then It's like 2 packs. What's in here? Uh-oh. Broken. Yikes. Alright, so I'm practicing with my new urn right there. I think it looks beautiful. I love it so much. I want to put real flowers in it, but I'll do that later. I actually have some flowers right there. I might just like, I don't know. Anyway, I just want to clean up some more around here and put some stuff away. So I think that's what's going to happen. I have to put away the Instant Pot as well. Okay, so I have a very serious question for you guys. I want to do something to the countertop, and I actually want to put contact paper on it to make it white marble and kind of just like, I don't know, like surprise mom and dad. Like it'll just be kind of like a funny thing because you can just take it off anyway. But I don't know, I feel like it would just be fun to just change up the space and to see how that would look, because I think eventually my parents do want to change up some stuff here in the kitchen. When we got the house, everything was already picked out, so we couldn't really do anything with it. And like it's a great kitchen though, but over like the countertops, they have just been getting darker and darker and darker. Like when we first got the house, they were a lot lighter, and over time, it's not really showing up on camera, but like over time they just get darker and darker, especially over there by the cooking area. So I don't know, I think it might just be fun to just switch it up a little bit and change the color of these with the countertop stickers that I used like for the kids table right there. Like that countertop has held up so well and has done like such a good job with the beating that the kids give it, and that's been on there for like 2 years. And I actually need to redo it because I didn't do that good of a job, because that was literally the first thing that I tried doing, and I have extra but not enough to do the whole kitchen. But I want to do the whole kitchen. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, just got another delivery from Walmart. This one looks like it's full of a lot of potentially breakable things, but looks like none of the breakable things are really broken. They wrapped them in paper like last time. Oh man, good thing the soy sauce didn't explode. That would have been intense. Looks like there's more pasta. I think these are pasta sauces. Oh! Prego.
They don't have the...
Alright you guys, we just got everything put away, but I wanted to show you guys this. Mom just cut the watermelon, and look at it, it has little hearts inside. It's so cute. A watermelon with 3 hearts. You guys, check it out. Now they have butterflies after Mom cut it. Every time Mom cuts it, the butterflies get bigger. Cut it again, Mom. What's inside? Every time you cut it, there's like something else inside. Oh! Look at how cute the watermelon looks. It kind of looks like the Superman symbol. This is like the most beautiful watermelon ever. Look at that, so pretty. It's so... Oh, Auntie, say hi to YouTube.
Oh, wait lang. Oh, my hair.
It's okay, you're beautiful. You guys, look at our spread for today. It looks so delicious. So you have the watermelon, we have the cucumber, we have some eggplant, some grilled chicken. Thanks, John, for grilling it. And then some salad, and then rice. Yummy. Alright friends, we just finished, well, we finished dinner a little bit ago. I'm trying to turn on the light. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Cleaned up, kind of, already. Did all the dishes and all that stuff. And I'm currently degreasing the stove. Gotta clean that up, make it nice and pretty. Pretty much cleared up as much as I can for the time being of this stuff. This is how the living room looks. I took a lot of stuff off of that back counter area. I think I want to change that whole thing too. I love the disco ball being there because I love it when the lights hit it, or like when the sun hits it and it reflects all the light all around the room. But I don't know, I feel like it's time for a change or something. So I want to change that up over there. And the stove is all clean, yay. This is what I use to clean this. Oh my gosh, what is that? A little speckle of something. Ah! Okay, this is what I use to clean it. I use the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser and the Wyman stainless steel wipes. I love these stainless steel wipes so much. So good. I think there's another one where like these, I don't know, like they had like a different color cleaning cloth thing, and I feel like those, like that one worked really well too. I feel like it's the same thing, but I feel like that one had like a grippier texture to help like clean also, but I don't know, still fantastic. I also like the spray one, which we also have, but I don't know, my mom really likes the wipes, so I decided to use them. They're pretty good. So there we go, nice and clean stove.